Hey, thanks for watching Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So I am in Southwest Philadelphia, and this area has some beautiful hidden gems in it. Okay, when we're talking about historic homes and some of the older homes in Philadelphia, we're talking about 1920s, 1910. In Southwest, they're huge. And how much they're going for right now, it's amazing. You can buy such a large part of history. Like the woodworking is amazing, and I'm going to walk this house with you. But it's amazing you can buy the value of these homes. And I know they're not, the area is, it's getting better. It's actually getting a lot better, okay? So let's just go for a walk through this house, and I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to go from the entryway. All right. Tall ceilings. And this home it's been upkept a little bit, but you can see it definitely needs some TLC. You can see that there's definitely repair work that needs to be done. They haven't been cared for in who knows how long, but you still have a very nice tall ceiling. You have some beautiful woodwork. Classic built-ins. But it definitely has an open feel to it. And what really sparked my interest to the home was the double staircases. So you have the main staircase, and it wraps around all the way up to the third floor. And there's a third floor and an attic here. All right, but this is what really sold me on this house. The butler staircase, all right? And the butler staircase, it's not a single story staircase. It goes up to the third floor as well. Oftentimes, the butler staircase will only go up to the second floor, and then there'll be like a shared staircase to the third. There's the back room, second floor. Check out the old mirrors, just amazing. And that's the back bedroom. Now we just came up the back staircase that goes up to the third. So let's just keep walking. This is the middle bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. All right, now this is the stairs from the first floor. All right, and here is the master bedroom. It's a huge bedroom, just huge. And again, you have built-ins here, built-in mirror. And I guess there was a fireplace here at one time, and then they converted it over. And this goes up to the third floor as well. Oh, sorry, bathroom. There's a powder room on the first floor, bathroom on the second, bathroom on the third. Actually, two bathrooms on the third. No, laundry room. All right. So this is the front bedroom, third floor. These huge bedrooms. Middle bedroom, third floor. Back bedroom, third floor. And it has an attic as well. what's in front of us is actually a skylight for the main foyer stairs. With a flat top roof, old timber. Just a really, really nice home. Yes, it does need some work. At one time that probably opened and you could get a breezeway through the house. But all in all, it's a beautiful home. So we're gonna have to rewire this thing of the knob and tube. We'll be starting today, and that's why I did our preliminary walkthrough. But just the double staircases are so cool, and just the size of the house is amazing. And you know, right now, this area, you know, buying a piece of history like this, you can basically get it for a song. So thanks for watching. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.